Welcome! In this tutorial, let's have a quick overview about how to use Yeeflow Form and Workflow Designer to build your business process. The Form and Workflow Designer includes powerful components that allows you to build the robust business process. After open the Designer, the top navigation bar allows you to switch between the Forms Designer, Workflow Designer, and the settings. You can click the next button on the top right to switch to the different parts. Click Publish button to publish your process. You can also click each menu to access each part. To create your forms with the Form Designer, go to the Form Designer. The left panel includes all the available controls that you can use to design your form. In center is the form that you are creating. The right part is the Properties Settings panel, where you can set the properties of the form, or set the properties for an selected control on the form. To add a new control to the form, select the control and drag to the form. Set the display name, rename the field name and ID, and set other related properties. Drag the control to change the place. You can add different types of the controls according to your needs. Click Workflow from the top navigation bar to open the Workflow Designer. The left panel includes all the actions for you to design your process. Your process display on the canvas. Drag the action from the left panel to add to the canvas. Change or add arrows to connect those actions. Click and select each arrow, and set the conditions from the Property Settings window. Or select an action and click Settings button in the middle of the Operation menu to set the properties of each action. Click Settings to change the configuration of this process. You can change the name, description, and category, or the icon and the color of this form. Set the permission of this form to decide if you allow this form to be submitted by everyone in your organization, or just specific users, groups, or departments. After complete the changes you made, click Publish button on the top right. A new version will be generated. You can add description for the new version. You can change the ID generation rule to make it more meaningful. Click the Publish button to make your changes available. This is a quick tool about main functions of the Form and Workflow Designer. You will learn how to use each part in details in the following sessions. To learn more about Form Builder, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.